Have you ever spoken to your phone, asked it for directions or the latest cricket scores? You are interacting with AI, artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere, from our phones to our cars. And now, a new breed of AI is here. Generative Pre-trained Transformers, or GPTs. These are not just tools, they are thinking machines. GPTs are changing the world. They can write stories, compose music, and even hold conversations. Imagine having a computer that understands you, learns from you, and creates with you. That is the promise of GPTs. But how did we get here? For years, scientists have been trying to teach computers to think like humans. The human brain is incredibly complex. Replicating its abilities is a monumental task. But with GPTs, we have taken a giant leap forward. These powerful tools are still in their early stages, yet they are already transforming how we work, learn, and even think. Get ready for a future where AI is not just a tool, but a partner in our journey of discovery. So what exactly is a GPT? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Let's break that down. Generative means it can create new content like text, code, or even images. Pre-trained means it has learned from a massive amount of data like the entire internet. Think of it like this. Imagine reading every book in a library. That's a lot of information. Now imagine being able to use that information to write your own book. That's what a GPT can do. The transformer part refers to the special architecture of these models. It's like the engine that powers their abilities. This architecture allows them to understand and process language in a very sophisticated way. GPTs are like language whiz kids. They can translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. They are still under development, but their potential is mind-boggling. GPTs belong to a larger family called large language models, or LLMs. These are AI systems that excel at understanding and generating human-like text. They are like the chatty friends of the AI world, always ready to engage in a conversation. You might have heard of some famous LLMs like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude, and Meta Llama. Each has its own strengths and personality. ChatGPT is known for its conversational style. Google Gemini is a master of multiple languages. Claude is known for its helpful and harmless nature. And Meta Llama is a research-focused LLM pushing the boundaries of what's possible. These LLMs are being used in various applications, from customer service chatbots to writing assistants. They are changing how we interact with technology, making it more intuitive and human-like. Section 4 GPT-4, the brainy one with limits. Now let's talk about GPT-4, the current superstar of the GPT world. It's like the brainy student in class who always aces the exams. GPT-4 can generate different creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, and so on. It can also answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. But even GPT-4 has its limitations. One of its biggest challenges is hallucination. No, it doesn't see things. Hallucination in AI means it can sometimes generate incorrect or nonsensical information. It's like the AI gets confused and starts making things up. Another limitation is bias. AI models are trained on massive datasets, and these datasets can contain biases present in the real world. This can lead to biased outputs, which is a serious concern. Despite these limitations, GPT-4 is a remarkable achievement in AI. It's a powerful tool that can augment human capabilities and open up new possibilities. Section 5. The AI Dilemma, Trust and Use. Here's a question for you. Would you trust a machine to write a speech for you or compose a song? AI-generated content is becoming increasingly common. It's in our news feeds, our social media, and even our textbooks. This raises some important questions. Can we trust AI to generate accurate and unbiased information? Should we use AI to help us with creative tasks? These are not easy questions to answer. Some people embrace AI as a tool to enhance creativity. Others worry about the ethical implications of using AI to generate content. There are valid arguments on both sides. The key is to approach AI with a critical and discerning mind. We need to be aware of its limitations and use it responsibly. Section 6. Shaping Tomorrow, AI in Our Hands. GPTs and LLMs are powerful tools. They can be used for good or for bad. It's up to us, the humans behind the machines, to decide how they will shape our future. Imagine a world where AI helps us solve complex problems like climate change and disease. Imagine AI personalizing education for every student, making learning more engaging and effective. These are just some of the possibilities that GPTs and LLMs offer. But we must also be cautious. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically, responsibly, and for the benefit of all humankind. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's a future that we are writing every day with the choices we make. Let's use these powerful tools wisely to create a better future for everyone.